How to use AI to make money. 3 creative ways to use AI. Creative entrepreneurs love AI. That's right, AI can do some marvelous things in the creative space that can make you some real money. Though complicated use of artificial intelligence may require you to learn software engineering, creative uses of AI allow you to reap the benefits with very little technical knowledge. Here are 3 amazing creative uses of AI. Number 1. AI-powered writing. You can now use AI to write you an article, a report, a press release, or even a book. Though AI writers are not perfect, they do a good job of producing content at an easy and fast pace. How you use the written content to make money is up to you. Hint: blogging. Be warned though, Google Webmaster will not index AI written content. Number 2. AI generated art. If you feed the AI a simple word or even a scenario with words, the AI can now draw you a picture or a painting. AI generated artwork can be valuable in the world of art and can bring in some real money. You can sell AI art legally and make money. Legit. Number 3. AI generated music. That's right, AI can even generate music for you. Creative entrepreneurs can market music created by AI to bring in some real revenue. Not only that, but AI generated music makes it easy for you to add music to your projects, which obviously we are guessing should bring in some real big revenue. Artificial intelligence has the ability to do so much with so little effort. Now you know 3 amazing and creative ways to use AI in your projects to make real money. That's it from us here at Aninfo, where we animate to inform. Subscribe to this channel for more informative and educational content.